So here, example number 2 says, show that every positive even integer means, you all know even integers? You all know? Okay. Even integer is of the form 2q, and that every positive odd integers is of the form 2q plus 1, where q is some integer. Okay. Solution. First of all, let me take a is any integer. Let a be any integer which we have to show. Let a be any integer and b is equal to 2b another integer. Okay, let a be any integer and b is equal to 2 because it is given 2q plus 1. 2q be any other integer. So therefore by Euclid's division lemma, we can write here a is equal to 2q plus 0, right? Equal to 2q, where by Euclid's division lemma you can also understand a is equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than equal to 0 and less than b, other than b. So r can be 0 or 1. So r can be 0 or 1 because it is less than 2. So we will not take 2. Now, therefore, a is equal to 2q plus 0 or 2q and or a is equal to 2q plus 1. So this is even integer. It is even integer and it is odd integer. Why it is even integer? Because any number, any integer is multiplied by 2, it gives even number. So we can say any positive integer is of the form 2q, and any positive integer, odd positive integer is of the form 2q plus 1. So here, question ends. Got it? Now next, example number 3. We will show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. Okay. Now we will move to example number 3. So, example number 3 on page number 6. Show that any positive odd integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. First of all, let us take let a be any integer. Let a be an integer and b equal to 4 is another integer, then by Euclid's division lemma. What we write? A is equal to bq plus r where r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. Okay, so this implies a is equal to b is what is 4q plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 4. So what are the possible values of r? Therefore r can be 0, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2 or 3. Got it? Therefore r can be 0, 1, 2 or 3. When r is equal to 0, this implies a is equal to 4q plus 0 is equal to 4q. Clear? We can write 4q now, or a is equal to 4q, or you can write when r is equal to 1, this implies a is equal to 4q plus 1, that is okay, 4q plus 1. When r is equal to 2, this implies a is equal to 4q plus 2. And when r is equal to and when r is equal to 3, this implies a is equal to 4q plus 3. Okay, now here this 4q can be written as 2 into 2q. That is, this is integer is multiplied by 2, again it is integer, then this integer is again multiplied by 2, again we get integer. So it is the multiple of 2. Now here again we can take common 2, or we can write here 2q plus 1. We can write here 2q plus 1. Clear? So we can observe here, this is even number, even natural number, this is odd natural. So we can say odd natural, odd positive integers can be of the form 4q plus 1 and or 4q plus 3. This is our question. So any positive integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3, where q is some integer. Got it? What we did here? First of all, take a is any positive integer and b is equal to, according to question, b is equal to 4. b is equal to 4. Then according to Euclid's division lemma, what do we write? A is equal to bq plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than b. So in this situation, what is a is equal to? At place of b, we can write 4. b is equal to 4q plus r, where r is greater than or equal to 0 and less than 4. So what are the possible values of r? R can be 0, 1, 2 or 3, because it is less than 4, and it is greater than equal to. So greater than equal to means we can take 0, 0, 1, 2 or 3. So when we put r is equal to 0, what we get? A is equal to 4q plus 0. That is, we can write 4q, and this 4q can be written as 2 into 2q. Got it? No. When r is equal to 1, then a is equal to 4q plus 1. In place of r, we are putting 1. Then it is okay. When r is equal to 2, then a is equal to 4q plus 2. Again we are taking common here. 2 common, then what is remaining? 2q plus 1. Clear? This 2q plus 1, it is q is integer. Q is integer. Then integer multiplied by 2, again it is integer. Integer added by 1, again it is integer. Then this full integer multiplied by 2, again we get integer. Got it? So this is also equivalent integer. Here when we put r is equal to 3, what we get? A is equal to 4q plus 3. So a is equal to 4q plus 3 is not we can't take common 2 common, or 2 or 4, anything we can't take common. So here in this scenario, we conclude that any positive integer is of the form 4q plus 1, or positive integer is of the form 4q plus 1 or 4q plus 3. Understand? If you have any doubt, then we will clear it later on. Okay?